Welcome to this video training course. I'm going to lead you step by step on how to enable an automation rule. With the automation rules, you can automatically switch your subscribers from buyer's list to non-buyer's list, or vice versa. It is extremely easy. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, after you log in to the GetResponse account, find the drop-down menu on the top right of the page, below the My Account drop-down menu. Click on it and look for the Automation button. When you are on this page, you will see there is a drop-down menu with Choose a Rule option. Click onto it, and you will see there are 7 options in the drop-down menu. Choose the action you would like to activate. You are able to switch the current list subscribers to another list when they unsubscribe from the list. In this case, the action will be activated when the subscribers of I Am How To List unsubscribe and subscribe to another list of mine. Once you've done selecting the action and list, click on Add Rule. As you can see from here, you've created a new rule. If you do not want this automation rule to take action anymore, you can delete it. Just click on the Rubbish Bin button. And that's all you need to know on how to set up an automation rule.